Spiritual ascension is your soul's journey of evolution and enlightenment through its many lifetimes. When your soul has ascended to a significant level, then in that ascended lifetime, you're able to have a clear, enlightened understanding of yourself with a capital S. That means that you are able to answer life's big questions such as, why are we here? What is the purpose of life? What is God? Spiritual ascension isn't something that everybody can achieve in this lifetime because it's got to do with your soul's journey of evolution through several lifetimes. For example, you may be at an early stage of your ascension journey, or you may be at a developed stage of your ascension journey. At the same time, there isn't a definite end to the ascension process because we are constantly and infinitely evolving and developing. Therefore, we can't really put a definite answer to the question of how long does spiritual ascension take. What we can do though is speed up our ascension journey. And this has to do with finding and following our life purpose. Your life purpose, the mission that you came in this world to fulfill, is a step towards the ascension of your soul. It is the goal that your soul has chosen to fulfill in this lifetime to ensure it keeps advancing and evolving in its spiritual journey. Therefore, speeding up the ascension process involves taking action and making the time to really hone in on your life purpose, define it, and then having the courage to take action towards following and fulfilling it. I know this is easier said than done, but it's not impossible at all. There are so many books, spiritual processes, and techniques out there that you can use to really hone in on your life purpose. And I have something that'll help. I've created a free 3-step guide of the process that I used to discover my life purpose, and a process that I've guided hundreds of people through over the years, and they were able to not just find their life purpose, but define it in a 1 to 2 paragraph definition. I've put the link for this guide in the description below, so be sure to download it. And as soon as you go through the process, I want you to come into my private Facebook group, Your Spiritual Toolkit, and let me know what your life purpose is so I can give you some more guidance. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to download the link below and go through the process. Trust me, it's gonna give you so much more clarity about what your life purpose is. And I look forward to hearing all about it within my private Facebook group, Your Spiritual Toolkit. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.